Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm gonna show you today how to change your key fob remote battery on this Audi. A bunch of these Audis have these same model of key fobs, and this one is actually a 2016 Audi S7, and I'm getting a message to the key. The battery on the key is low, and the car is not recognizing the key. So what you have to do is you have to open this key, this bottom side of the key, in order to get this out, and then you're gonna look for, actually you're gonna turn around to the front here, and you're gonna look for this kind of a strange design thing right here. It's like a tab or whatever, and you need to press it down. It's right here. And when you press it down, you're gonna see how the whole thing presses down, and then you need to pull it out. So you need to press it as much as you can, or as further down as you can, and then you need to pull it out. It's gonna go slowly because it has this seal here, this white or grayish seal. And there you go. This is the key here, the battery. And the battery is actually, this one is Energizer 2032. So I already got one with me, and this is what we got, Energizer 2032. And I'm gonna open this and take the new battery. Again, Energizer 2032, and install it with the writings or the branding downwards to the plastic, and then you get the key again. And you can see the electronic plate is on the side of the button, so the battery can only go one way on the bottom of this plate, or the left side. And you just kind of press it in, and then you need to keep pushing it. Actually, the remote just lit up here, the little LEDs, so you need to keep pushing it until this thing clips. Once it clips, that's it. You can try to check if it doesn't move. That's it. And then you need to put back the key. The key goes here again, and then you press it, and then you test it. There we go. The key works. The battery on this car is down, so I need to put a charger anyway, so that's why you don't hear the unlocking and locking, but the key works. So again, this is the key fob remote battery replacement, this Audi, and whatever models have this late kind of a model remote. And again, thanks for watching. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.